I just got this Goodman starting up, and it is starting to rain, so I gotta hurry this up. So here it is. Goodman scroll. 2019, 37,000 BTUs. That is very ice cold and sweaty. And we got these other two running. Has I think it's a Gentech fan motor. I'm not sure though. I think it's Broad Ocean. But yeah, this has a really nice compressor sound. If you remember, I got this starting up last year. I love this unit, but I'm not gonna get it shut down. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.